Good morning. How are you today?
I'm well, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, just enjoying the weather.
It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Yes, it's perfect for a walk.
Do you walk here often?
Yes, I come here every morning.
That sounds like a good habit.
It helps me start my day right.
I should try that sometime too.
You definitely should. It's refreshing.
Maybe tomorrow, I'll join you.
That would be great. I'd enjoy that.
What time do you usually start?
Around 7 a.m., if that's okay.
Perfect. I'll be here by then.
I'm looking forward to it already.
Me too, it's a nice idea.
We can chat while we walk.
I'd like that, sounds fun.
It'll make the time pass quickly.
Agreed, better than walking alone.
Exactly. Good company is always nice.
So true, it makes everything better.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
That's convenient for our morning walks.
It is, I'm lucky to live here.
This neighborhood is really pleasant.
Yes, quiet and very friendly too.
I've noticed that everyone is kind.
That's why I love living here.
I'm glad we bumped into each other.
Me too, it's been a pleasure.
We'll see each other tomorrow then.
Absolutely, bright and early.
Have a great day.
You too, see you tomorrow. Hi there, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. You?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from London, born and raised.
That's interesting, have you lived elsewhere?
No, London has always been home.
I've never been to London, sadly.
You should visit. It's a beautiful city.
I'd love to, maybe next year.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I enjoy exploring new places.
What countries have you visited before?
I've been to Japan and France.
Japan is amazing. I love the culture.
Yes, it's very different from here.
Did you enjoy your time there?
Absolutely, I want to go back.
What about France? Did you like it?
Yes, Paris was especially stunning.
Paris is wonderful, full of history.
Have you been to France?
Yes, I visited Paris last summer.
How did you find the experience?
It was magical. I adored every moment.
That's fantastic. Any other travel plans?
I'd love to visit Italy next.
Italy is beautiful, great food too.
I've heard that. Excited to try it.
You'll love the pasta and pizza.
Can't wait. What about your plans?
I'm thinking of visiting Australia.
Australia is incredible. So much wildlife.
That's what attracts me, the nature.
You'll enjoy it. The beaches are amazing.
I've seen pictures, they look stunning.
Yes, and the people are friendly.
That's always a plus when traveling.
Absolutely, it makes a big difference.
So true. Nice meeting you.
Same here. Safe travels. Hello. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. You?
I'm doing well, thanks. You speak English?
Yes, I can speak English. You?
Yes, I'm comfortable with English too.
That's great. Where did you learn?
I studied English in school. You?
I learned from my parents in school.
Are they fluent in English too?
Yes, they are. What about yours?
My parents don't speak English well.
Do you help them with English?
Yes, I often translate for them.
That's nice of you, very helpful.
It's necessary, they appreciate the help.
Do you speak any other languages?
I can speak Spanish and French.
Impressive. I only know English well.
That's okay, English is widely spoken.
True, it's useful for travel too.
Yes, it helps when meeting people.
Have you traveled to English-speaking countries?
Yes, I've been to England and Canada.
How was your experience communicating there?
It was easy, everyone spoke English.
That's good to hear. Any challenges?
Sometimes accents are difficult to understand.
Yes, some accents are really strong.
Did you face any language challenges?
Not really, just occasional unfamiliar words.
That's common, especially with slang.
Do you use English every day?
Yes, mostly for work and friends.
Same here, it's my main language.
Do you want to learn more languages?
I'd like to, maybe Spanish next.
Spanish is a good choice, very useful.
I agree, it's spoken in many places.
If you need help, I'm here.
Thanks. I might take you up on that.
Anytime, it's fun practicing together.
Yes, learning with others is motivating.
Definitely. Well, have a great day.
You too, Tom. See you around.
Hi. How are you today, Jake?
Hey, Sarah. I'm doing well, thanks.
Great to hear. Where do you live?
I live in Maplewood. You?
I'm in Riverdale, near the park.
That's a nice area. How's it there?
It's peaceful, lots of trees around.
Sounds lovely. Do you like it?
Yes, it's perfect for evening walks.
I enjoy walking too, very relaxing.
Do you have a park nearby?
Yes, Maplewood Park is close by.
I've heard about that. Is it big?
It's pretty large, lots of trails.
That's awesome. Do you go often?
Yes, almost every weekend. And you?
I try to go daily after work.
Nice. Maybe we could walk together.
That would be fun. When's good?
How about this Saturday morning?
Perfect. Let's meet at the entrance.
Sure thing. Do you live alone?
No, I share an apartment with a friend.
That's cool. How's living with a friend?
It's great, we get along well.
That's important. I live with family.
Nice. Is your family big?
Just my parents and younger sister.
That's a good size, close-knit family.
Yes, we spend a lot of time together.
That's wonderful. Family time is precious.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, they're in the same city.
Convenient. Mine's a bit farther away.
Do you visit them frequently?
I try to go every other month.
That's good. Keeping in touch matters.
Absolutely. So, what's your neighborhood like?
It's quiet, mostly families and students.
Sounds peaceful. Any good restaurants nearby?
Yes, there's a great Italian place.
I love Italian food. We should go.
Let's do it. Maybe after our walk?
Perfect plan. Looking forward to it.
Me too, Jake. See you Saturday.
See you then, Sarah. Take care.
Hi, how's your day going, Tom?
Hey, Emma. It's going well, thanks.
Glad to hear. What do you work?
I work as a software developer. You?
I'm a graphic designer at an agency.
That's cool. Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I love creating visual content.
Sounds interesting. What projects do you handle?
Mostly branding and marketing campaigns. You?
I develop apps and websites for clients.
That's impressive. Is it challenging?
Sometimes, but I enjoy problem solving.
That's great. Do you work remotely?
Yes, I work from home mostly. You?
I go to the office 3 days.
Nice balance. Do you like your team?
Yes, they're very supportive and creative.
That's important. Do you manage deadlines well?
Can be tough but manageable.
Deadlines can be stressful, I understand.
How do you handle work pressure?
I take breaks and stay organized.
Good strategy. What tools do you use?
Mostly coding software and project management apps.
I use design software and collaboration tools.
Collaboration is key, especially with big projects.
Absolutely, communication makes everything smoother.
Do you work on solo projects often?
Sometimes, but I prefer team projects.
Teamwork is more dynamic, I agree.
Do you see yourself in this field long term?
Yes, I love tech and innovation. You?
Yes, I can't imagine doing anything else.
That's passion. Any plans for career growth?
Maybe starting my own design studio someday.
That's ambitious. I'm sure you'll succeed.
Thanks, Tom. What about your future goals?
I'm thinking of becoming a tech lead.
That's a great goal. Any specific company?
Not yet, just focusing on skill development.
Makes sense. Learning never stops, right?
Exactly, always something new in tech.
Same in design, trends change constantly.
True. Well, it was nice chatting, Emma.
Likewise, Tom. Let's catch up again soon.
Definitely. Have a great day ahead.
You too, Tom. Take care.